Our next lesson is on graphing quadratics in the different forms. So first up is vertex form. We know that that gives us the vertex. Once we have the vertex plotted, we're going to put 2 additional points on either side symmetrically. And it says 1a, 3a, 5a. And what that means is we're going to take whatever the a value was and multiply it by the 1, 3, and 5. And that's how many up and down we're going to go. We're always going to go over 1, but we're going to go up or down 1a, 3a, and 5a. And then we're going to connect our points into a parabola. So for example 1, we have a vertex of -2, +9. So remember, it's the opposite side of what's inside, same side of what's outside. So -2, 9 on flat. That means my axis of symmetry is the x value, x equals -2. And then I'll worry about these when I'm done. So a was -1. So if I do 135 times -1, that means I'm going to go over 1, down 1. So over 1, down 1, both ways. Over 1, down 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 1, down 1, 2, 3. And then over 1, down 5. Over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 5. So connect our dots. We can see now that we have a maximum value of 9. Right? The highest it reached was 9. And the y-intercept, we did have to graph it to see this, or we could plug x in as 0. So if I plugged x in as 0, that's 2 squared, which is 4. -4 plus 9 is 5, or I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it didn't cross, or it crossed at a place that's hard to tell, I would plug x in as 0 to find it. But if you see where it's graphed, we could just use the graph to determine where it is. So here's one for you to try. You can pause. The answers are posted on Google Classroom in the blank notes. Now we have intercept form. So we're going to graph our intercepts. We're going to find and graph the vertex. So that's p plus q over 2, plugging it back in to find y, and then connect our points to form a parabola. It would be nice to also have 5 points here. So once we have the vertex graphed, if it didn't already hit our 2 intercepts, I would probably try to add a point using the 1-3-5 rule, because that'll always work. If the first points were the intercepts, then I would put the next one, right, the 3 after it. So here we have 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. My intercepts are +3, 0 and -1, 0. So those are my 2 intercepts. My vertex, if I take the 3 plus -1 and put that over 2, 2 over 2 is 1. So I'm even going to write this here already. The axis symmetry, x equals 1. And now I'm going to put 1 back in. So that's 2 times -2 times +2 is -8. So 1, -8 would be my vertex. So here, I obviously am going to have to do more points, especially if I want to know what the y-intercept is. I could do my maximum value. I have the lowest it goes. The minimum was at -8. And my y-intercept. So if I were going to do the 1-3-5 rule here, and a is 2, that's over 1 up 1 times 2, or 2. So over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2. The next would have been over 1 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, that puts me at my intercept points. I'm very happy about that. So now I'm going to graph these. And I can see that my y-intercept happened at 0, -6. Or if I had made x 0, 2 times -3 times 1 also gives me -6. So there's one here for you to try. You can pause. Answers are posted in Google Classroom. And our final form is standard form. So for this, to find our x value of the vertex, that was -b over 2a, and we plug it back in to find y. We'll do our 1a, 3a, 5a to find the 2 additional points, and then connect the points into a parabola. So here, Negative b over 2a would be negative 6 over 2 times negative 3. So negative 6 over negative 6 is 1. So the axis symmetry, x equals 1. If I plug 1 back in, that's negative 3 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1 plus 7. So negative 3 plus 6 is 3 plus 7 is 10. So 1 comma 10 is my vertex. 1, 3, 5 according to negative 3. So we're going to graph whatever fits. So from here, over 1 down 3, both sides. Over 1 down 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I believe that's all I'm going to fit, right? If I try to go down 15, I'm not going to reach. So this one's only going to get these points. Okay, so it had a maximum value of 10. And the y-intercept, I could actually see that it passed through at 0, 7, and it's in standard form. So I could just take the number there. If I didn't see where it crossed, I take that c value, and that is my y-intercept. So here's the last one for you to try. You can pause or end here. The answer is posted on Google Classroom, but that is graphing quadratics in all their forms.